What? Wait. Oh, we're live. Oh, okay, thanks. Oopsie. Welcome to Boot Camp. My name is Renato Scudero, but you can call me Rue. This is English 842N, Exposition Skills, College Writing. As your guide this semester, I will help you improve and fine-tune your college reading and writing skills so that you're ready and feel confident to enter transfer-level English courses. This is an online asynchronous class, which means that we have no scheduled meetings, but that doesn't mean that we're going to be alone. Okay, most of our work will be done in lively discussions and through peer reviews. This is an intensive class that will require about 5 hours of your time and dedication each day. So what's next? Read this homepage. When you're done, click on the Start button and start Module 0, Getting Started. After that, each time that you log into our Canvas site, you'll want to check the top of this homepage for recent announcements. Then the best way to navigate the class is on the modules page. You will go through the modules. You will go through each module sequentially. All instructions, readings, activities, assignments, due dates will be found in these modules. One module leads to the next one, and the modules, the module pages and items within each module builds upon each other. So please don't skip any items, or you might find yourself lost when it comes time to writing your essays. You'll find my contact information below. Feel free to reach out. I am here for you. I will offer also a student hour on Zoom where I can answer all your questions and address your concerns. So what do you say? Shall we get started? I can't speak for you, but I can't wait.